Stainless steel, a metal which is literally everywhere, from your kitchen sink all the way to the big aeroplanes and also in the building or in the house that you are sitting in right now. So this video is very important and very critical for those who want to know about what are the uses of stainless and what are the main properties of stainless, also what makes it difference between 304 and 316. Now, the big question is, why do we have to use 304 or 316? What is the main difference? Why can't we just use the same grade for every single thing? Well, the answers here might give you some spotlight on why we use 304 or why we use 316 and what to consider when you are designing your own project. This video will help you decide the right stainless steel for your next project. Now, let's start the question with what is stainless steel? Now, stainless steel is a type of a steel alloy with more than 10.5% of chromium in steel. Now, this is the main reason why the stainless steel have a famous stainless steel quality. So when we add certain amount of chromium in the steel, it reacts with the oxygen to form a thin, invisible layer of chromium oxide. What this layer does, it reacts with the oxygen available on the outside surface and creates an invisible layer of protection to prevent the rust on the steel. This layer acts like a shield, protecting the rust and corrosion from the outside environment and keeping it all up to date. Now, why do we choose stainless steel? What are the main reasons of choosing the stainless steel over any other element? So there are quite a few reasons, and we'll dive deep into those reasons in this video. So one of the main reasons that we use stainless steel is the resistance to the corrosion. As we mentioned, the chromium oxide layer is preventing the rust and corrosion happening on the steel surface. As we mentioned earlier, chromium oxide layer makes it resistant to corrosion and rust. So this makes it a great choice for the applications where it is exposed to water, weather or harsh environments like sea. Another good quality for stainless steel is its steel part, which gives it a really good strength against wear and tear and the good durability against all those impacts in day-to-day life. Another great quality of stainless steel is its hygiene resistance. You will be amazed to know how easy it is to clean stainless steel with just a simple soap or just with a simple wipe of the water, that it is widely used in hospital, kitchen appliances and anywhere where the hygiene is extremely important. One of the most common uses that you would be seeing is the kitchen sink. So kitchen sink is an area where we really need a good hygienic environment. Also, if you go to any hospital, all the syringes, all the needles, all the equipments, most of the equipments in the hospitals are made by stainless or something that is more hygienic. Another great property of stainless steel is its look. That shiny silver surface gives an amazing artistic look, which is the first choice for making amazing or beautiful products or having a good look for your product without actually applying any more surface treatments to the project. Now we know about the main basic applications or main basic qualities of stainless steel. So let's dive and understand what are the main differences between 316 and 304. So what is the difference between 304 and 316? If you look at it from outside, you might find both of them are looking similar. Then why do we use different material? Well, the detail is in the chemical composition of both the element. Now, stainless steel 304 has 18% chromium and 8% nickel. It is a great choice for the environment where we are using mild to medium corrosion environment, where we have high exposure to the acidic or higher corrosion environment. We prefer 316. The reason behind it is in that chemical composition we add 2% molybdenum, and because of this we have a high resistance and we can also use that in a high temperature environment. So for example, if you are looking for something in a marine environment or something in a swimming pool where we have lots of chlorine environment around it, that is why we use SS316. Or something like where we have a food line, we use SS316 to make sure it is hygienic and high corrosion resistance, because the chemicals inside the food particles may also react with the steel after a long time of exposure. Now, budget is very important on any project. So when you are choosing the right material, either 316 or 304, you also have to maintain the project cost. So whenever you are using 304, you will find that same material, same thing for 316, the price would be really high. making it a bit unaffordable for the people. But the reason is because of the extra molybdenum, it adds the life drastically. Between 316 and 304, 316 is slightly expensive than 304. The reason behind it is the molybdenum is a really expensive material, but by adding that, if you're looking for a long life, it is definitely worth it if you are looking for a longer project life for the project. If you like this video and you want me to add more videos like this, please comment below and tell me what topic should I make more videos on. Thank you very much, guys.